You may have wondered how people actually make money using YouTube. And what we do is we help people use YouTube as a marketing tool. So you have entertainment channels, right? And the way that they make money is by getting ad revenue from YouTube. So they get a lot of subscribers and then YouTube partners with them and then they make money off of that. But there's another way that business owners are actually able to make money. And let's talk a little bit about that. You can actually use YouTube as a way to gain leads. So what you do is you actually create content for people that would want to buy your products. And all you do is you give them value. You teach about whatever it is that your expertise is. And then at the end of the video, you give them some sort of call to action to bring them to your products, to your company, and turn them into a lead. So a perfect example is my expertise is actually creating content and marketing online. Hence why I'm doing this video. YouTube is a really great way to organically reach people, right? If you were using Facebook or Instagram, a lot of times you have to pay for ads in order to reach people. But the idea behind YouTube is that you put out evergreen content, and evergreen just means that it can live on there forever, that the information that you're giving isn't going to change. You put that content out there and you're creating these little soldiers. These videos are these little soldiers that go out there, and while you're sleeping, they are informing people about your product or your service and what you do and helping bring you leads to your company.